Hello everybody. Well, here I am off to my favourite retreat down by the Murray. I'm not camping this time, it's way too cold. I've got a cabin, so it's got an ensuite, heating, so I've just got to bring food and clothing. But you know me, I bring a lot more than that. For 9 months, as everyone knows, I've had a hip replacement, cancer, pneumonia, and then they thought I had TB. It never ever ends. So I just went, you know what? Fuck you all. So I packed up, booked a cabin for 3 days, and went, see you later. Okay, well, that was interesting. I've got a little chainsaw in the boot of my car. It's a handheld chainsaw. It's not like the big one. It's like a small little one. I was going to use that to cut some firewood so I can have a fire tonight. Guess what? It's battery operated. And the 2 charged batteries, I left at home. So I just had to go and buy a bag of firewood, but that's okay. It was under $20. Anyway. Hello. Hello.
Huh?
And after all that, I've come home and now it's time for my first CTC scan to see if the cancer has gone or whatever. So I'm going through, what do they call it? Scan depression. Like, whoa. Anyway, it's...
Thanks for watching.